Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will help you configure the Cisco access point AIR-AP1852I. My company is currently using Cisco access point AIR-AP1852I-S-K9 and with controller. Now I'm going to start the device and plug the console into it. The console cord has two plugs, one side is RJ45 and the other side will be a USB port. To know which USB port to plug into your computer, go to the computer's device manager and select ports. In the video the access point is plugged into the computer's USB COM3 port. Adjust the baud rate 9600 to display the message in the device. My device is using lightweight mode to connect with controller. You will see the error message %authentication failed, no valid user found, please configure a valid user from controller. Don't panic, this is just a message if you short connect the device to the controller, and you will have to reset the access point if you want to access the inside. I will remove the outer shell of the device and you will see the mode button of the access point. You will hold the button to reset the whole system. In the video I use a 48V PO power adapter. When the device reboots, hold the mode button for 25s, the time will be displayed on the console interface. Press the mode button hard, like in the video I didn't press it hard and had to restart the device. You will see the time counting from 1 to 25. When the device counts to 25 seconds, you must remove your hand, otherwise the internal system will think this is just a misunderstanding and it will not reset to the original configuration. The device will automatically reboot. The device has restarted and is working the same way it did when you first bought it. The default username and password is Cisco. To disable device logs, type the command login console disable. This is the current version of the device. This is 8.10.130.0. Next you will type the command apt mobility express. I will open the TFTPD64 software and adjust the path of the file containing the device image. My machine's IP address is 10.1.16.46. This will be the IP address the device will go to load the new OS. Copy the command into Notepad and you just paste it inside. I will move the phone and you will see how the devices are physically connected to each other. I use Hub to share many ports to connect many devices together. All devices share the same network range. I will paste the command and wait for the device to load the new OS. You will have to wait about 15 minutes for the device to complete the new OS version. I will enter the initial information of the Mobility Express interface. You must select the country location that is correct for the controller you are using. I'll show you how to find out what country the controller you're using is located in. This is the country location that you must fill in the access point. If you do not enter it correctly, you will get an error. All other parameters you will leave as default. At the end, type yes to save the selection. This will be the IP address of the access point. Later you will enter this IP address in the browser. You will go to its management page. SSID is the name of the Wi-Fi displayed from the access point. PSK password encryption type. This is the password of Wi-Fi when the user connects. Type yes for the device to save the configuration, and then the device will reboot. I will log in again, and you can see that the default Cisco account name is not correct. It has been replaced with the username you just changed before. New OS is Mobility Express. This OS will create virtual controller inside access point. Now I will go to the access point's web interface and configure it. The device will broadcast both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. I will use my phone to connect to the Wi-Fi that the access point emits. APT1852I. I have successfully connected. On the web interface, you will see the devices connected to the access point. Next, I check the output bandwidth of the device. The video ends here. Subscribe to the channel and comment below. Good luck.